In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make football theme photo trend in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular photo into a dramatic, poster-style football design using just one image and a well-written prompt. First, open the Gemini app on your Windows computer and look for the plus sign. That's your Upload button. Click it to add the photo you want to transform. Choose a clear, high-resolution image. JPEG or PNG works great, where your face and body are well lit and not heavily cropped. A neutral background is fine, because the style we're aiming for will replace it. If you're using someone else's photo, make sure you have permission. Also, avoid images with visible personal or sensitive details in the background for privacy. Next, in the message box, you'll craft your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Describe the exact look and mood you want. For this trend, think dynamic, cinematic, and athletic. For example, ask for a dynamic sports poster of a professional football player captured mid-air during a powerful kick, from a slightly low angle to emphasize energy and motion. Specify a teal or blue jersey with a name on the back and the number 10, the body twisting in motion with one leg extended toward a ball on the ground, and dramatic golden motion trails swirling around the movement. Set the scene against a clean, dark teal gradient background for a minimal cinematic look. Call out dramatic, studio-style lighting to highlight muscle definition, with subtle dust and debris rising near the ball. Keep the composition centered and highly stylized, in a modern sports poster aesthetic. Add bold typography near the bottom with a motivating line in a rough brush font, with part of the text layered over a red paint stroke. To lock in quality, include phrases like ultra-realistic, high detail, 4K, cinematic lighting, sharp focus, motion blur effects, and professional sports advertisement style. You can personalize the jersey name and number to suit your taste. Just keep the rest of the description clear and consistent. Once your prompt looks good, press Enter or click the Send icon to submit it along with your photo. Double-check that both the image and the full prompt are attached before sending. Now give it a moment. Image generation can take a little while, especially with high-detail requests. Keep the app open, avoid spamming the prompt, and let it finish. When it's done, you'll have a bold, football-themed poster look built from your photo and your words. That's it. Upload, describe, submit, and wait. Enjoy creating your own football photo trend inside the Gemini Windows app.